Hello friends, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check views in SQL. So views are just like a SQL statement that are stored in the database with a specific name. Okay, the views are just like a virtual tables. Using view, we can hide some data, and we can use these views. We can use in the queries also. Okay, so these are the we have two tables: country and customer. Country contains country ID name, and the customer contains customer ID name, sale amount, and foreign care country ID. Okay, so we want to create a simple view. We want to get all customer details. So this is a syntax for creating view. Create view as we can given the SQL statement. Okay, so here we are using select star from customer. We want to display all details, and normally we can given the prefix vw or the view. Okay. We can just execute this query. Now we created the view. We want to get this data, view data. Then we can use same like SQL, same like previous. We can give select star from view. Okay. Now we are getting the data, customer ID, name, sale amount, country. Okay. So the views are created. We can just refresh here. Now we are seeing the view. Okay. Now we don't want to get all columns. We want to get some columns only. So how to alter this view? Same like table, we can use alter keyword, alter view name, and in query we can use the columns, column ID, customer ID, name, and save. Just execute this. Now the view altered. You can just check that view. Now we are getting customer ID, name, and sale amount. Okay. So this is a simple view. We are using one table. You can use with multiple tables also. So in these tables, country and customer table, we have country ID, right? So we want to just join these tables through country, and we want to display the country name also. Okay. So in this case, we can use join customer and country. We are joining through this country ID. Here we are given some alias name, and country we are given COD. Okay. Just join this and just display the country name also. Okay. Just execute this. Now use created. You can check that data. So customer ID, name, sale amount, and country name. Okay. We want to get this SQL statements to query. Then we can use SP help test. Just like store procedure, we can use SP underscore help test and given the view. Now we are getting the views details. Okay. Now we want to create specific country details. Okay. We want to hide some rows. We want to get only data from the country, India. Okay. So this time we want to create another view with only India, and here we can use the workflows. We can filter the data. We can give any filtration here. Okay. This way we can give the specific views. Okay. Just create this. So by using this, we can hide data. Okay, now the user can get only data from this view. We can given we will get the user will get only data from India. Okay, country India. How to drop a view? Then we can use drop view. Okay, and just execute this. And user dropped. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.